Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Akari Chargers kontra sa NX-led Chameleons 21-25, 25-20, 26-24, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ivy Lacsina sa likod ng kanang 17 points mula sa 14 attacks, 1 block at 2 aces. Nag-ambag naman si Sharma ng 7 points at 2 aces. Victoria 10 points, 3 blocks. Soyod 15 points, 6 blocks. Michelle Cobb 0 point. Lacsina 17 points, 14 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces at 4 excellent receptions. Hazareno 11 excellent digs. Nesperos 15 points, 12 attacks, 8 excellent receptions. Camelcal 6 points, 8 excellent receptions. Wangko 7 excellent digs. Para naman sa natalong NX-led Chameleons, nagtala si Atienza ng 7 points, 2 blocks, 3 aces. Makaslang 0 point. Ebon 11 points. Maraginot 15 excellent sets. Laure 8 points. Parmentilla 20 points, 20 attacks, 9 digs. Pineda 14 digs at 14 excellent receptions. Losel Almonte 13 points, 10 attacks, 3 aces, 4 excellent receptions. Esguera 5 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Chocomocho Flying Titans kontra sa PLDT High Speed Hitters 21-25, 25-22, 25-18, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cici Rondina sa likod na kanang 20 points, 19 attacks, 1 ace, 10 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Nonag ng 12 points, 2 blocks, 1 ace. Picana 5 points. Manabat 16 points, 15 aces, 8 digs. Alba 0 point. Rondina 20 points, 19 attacks, 1 ace, 10 excellent receptions. Molde 12 points, 3 blocks. Pons 9 excellent receptions. Fatima General 8 digs. Wong 12 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong PLDT High Speed Hitters, nagtala si Palomata ng 8 points, 3 blocks. Mary Joy Baron 7 points, 1 ace. Santos 7 points, 6 attacks. Alcantara 15 excellent sets. Davison 27 points, 25 attacks, 2 blocks, 15 excellent receptions. Ceballos 5 points, 1 ace, 5 digs, 10 excellent receptions. Arado 19 digs. Meca Reyes 4 points. Bidonia 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 23, 2025. Petrogas Angels 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Signal HD Spikers 5 wins, 1 loss, 15 points. Kremlin Colsmasters 5 wins, 0 loss, 14 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Akari Chargers 4 wins, 4 losses, 12 points. Chiritigo Crossovers 4 wins, 3 losses, 11 points. Farm Fresh 3 wins, 3 losses, 10 points. Zos Thunderbells 2 wins, 4 losses, 8 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 6 losses, 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 5 losses, 4 points. NX-led Chameleons 0 win, 7 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong January 25, 2025 nagaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Farm Fresh at Chiritigo Crossovers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Zos Thunderbells at Capital One Solar Spikers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.